In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Gmail account to Outlook. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to manage multiple email accounts in one place. We'll break down the process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. All right, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Outlook on your computer. Once you've launched the application, take a look at the top left corner of the window. You'll see a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with various options. From the menu, you'll want to select Add Account. Clicking this will bring up a new window where you can add a new email account to Outlook. Here, you'll enter the Gmail address you want to add to your Outlook. Make sure you type the address correctly to avoid any issues later. After you've entered your Gmail address, hit Connect. Outlook will take a moment to recognize your Gmail account and prompt you to enter your password. This is a crucial step, as the password ensures that Outlook can access your Gmail securely. Type in your password carefully and hit Sign In. Now, the next part involves giving permissions. To allow Outlook to manage your Gmail account, you'll see a request to allow certain permissions. This is simply Outlook asking for access to your email, calendar, and contacts, which is necessary for the app to work seamlessly with Gmail. When you're ready, go ahead and click Allow. Outlook will verify the information and set up your account. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. You can then click Finish, and there you have it. Your Gmail account is now linked to Outlook. With your Gmail now set up in Outlook, you can easily switch between your emails without having to log in and out of each account. This integrated setup can save a lot of time and streamline your daily email management. Before we wrap up, remember that you might need to adjust some settings in Outlook or your Google account to suit your specific needs. For instance, if you're having trouble sending emails, you might want to check your outgoing server settings. That's everything you need to know to successfully add your Gmail account to Outlook. I hope this guide has been helpful and that it makes your email managing experience a lot more efficient. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.